Hey, good afternoon. Mike Ehrlich with MarineMax coming to you from the beautiful Las Olas Isles. Today we're going to take a look at this 2004 Sea Ray 340 Sundancer that has been highly customized and well cared for. You'll see up top that brand new Garmin closed radar array. The whole sides are wrapped with black vinyl and the transom and the transom door, so if you don't like it, peel it off. Got a big old cooler with custom sea deck on it with tie downs on the aft deck that will convey, and you'll see that there's sea deck on the walkways, the deck, and you've got a huge custom sun pad. This top is brand new as of 2 weeks ago. He also has all the side curtains for back here. Love the feel of this sea deck on my feet. This 340 is probably the best running package, engine and whole package that Sea Ray ever had in a gas cruiser. This boat is a pleasure to drive, easy to dock, holds a ton of people, full 12-foot beam. You can see upgraded JL audio everywhere here in the cockpit. Also, the old cockpit refrigerator has been replaced with a stainless steel Norcold. Triple bucket seats at the helm, super comfortable for long trips, wonderful driving position. Here's the new Garmin 5208 coupled to that radar, and a new Garmin VHF 200. 330 hours on 8.1s on this boat. The tan dash option. Let's come on in, wait for this thing to adjust to the light. Okay, brand new nice mattress, custom made on the forward bed here. All the wood's in excellent condition in this boat, no worries. Headliner's good everywhere. No odors. This one's a winner, folks. The settee dinette or couch that pulls out to get a little wider. Nice big refrigerator here, 2-burner stove. He has custom covers for all the port lights so you can get it nice and dark in here. See a new Samsung Brewwave player as well as the Wii. And a huge smart television that was put in. Of course, it wouldn't be a Sundancer without a mid-cabin. Nice big mid-cabin, flip-down TV. That concludes our tour of this boat. Thanks for watching.